My name is Patel, and I live in Riverside, California. I've always wanted to have solar, and when we found a home builder that was offering it, we thought this would be a great purchase. Before we had solar, our average bill was about $200. Now, with the SunPower solar system, it is $12. We think less about electricity now because we're not worried about the high cost of electricity anymore. We have the automated blinds, my son is always on his computer, and we don't have to worry about being wasteful. We were very happy about the arrangement of the panels on the roof. Once it's up there, you don't really think about it because it's just part of the house now. I like how the app has the carbon footprint, how it shows that we are creating less by having the solar. It's very rewarding to have SunPower solar system in our home because it allows us to not compromise our lifestyle at all. My advice to anyone wanting the SunPower system is just do it. Just get it. You'll be so happy.